What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out back behind the shop at Signature Glass Tinting, and we're looking at a 2019 Tesla Model 3. It's early in the morning. You're gonna have a lot of shadows in this video. I apologize. The sun is very low in the horizon, but let's just forget about the shadows and let's just talk about tint. So here we go. So again, 2019 Tesla Model 3. The person that owns this car chose the Lumar IRX Nano Ceramic IR blocking window film. It's one of the best window films on the market today. It's the latest and greatest window film from Eastman Performance Films. We're really happy with this film. It has an average infrared IR blocking of 87%. Yes, there's films out there that have 97%, 98%, but why don't you go read the specs? You'll see that the nanometer range only goes up to about 990. Some of them go to 1140, where the Lumar goes all the way up to the top. So, again, Lumar IRX Nano Ceramic window film. We did the front windshield with the Lumar Air 80. Every roll-up window, all the sunroof window and the front windshield were digitally cut. We never hand cut on your car. The back window, we did not digitally cut it, but we did all the cutting and all the heat shrinking on our own window. We never actually do the heat shrinking or the cutting on your car. We have our own Tesla Model 3 back window. In fact, we actually have two of them because we do so many of those. It's pretty common that we have 5 or 6 Tesla Model 3s at the shop every single day, and we're open 6 to 7 days a week. So we do a lot of Tesla Model 3s. And the reason why we do so many is because people don't want you using a heat gun or using a torch on their actual car. There's been a lot of cases where the glass, the back window glass, has cracked because of the heat gun, because of the torch. So we use our back window, and never ever do we work on your car. None of the door panels are removed. Nothing's unbolted, nothing's unscrewed. Everything stays intact. Let's take a look at the back window. One piece back window. All the roll-ups are filed and shaved. There's no extra film flopping around in the wind. There's no light gaps. Everything fits perfect. This is the Lumar IRX. I believe it's the 15%. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty. Again, it's Lumar window film. It's the best. We have our no-fault guarantee, so all the side windows, the sunroof on this car, they're protected if they're ever scratched, if they're ever broken. We stand behind everything we do. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. If you're not in Orange County, if you're not in Southern California and you need your Tesla Model 3 tinted, go find a good Lumar or Formula One dealer. Don't go with all the other films that are out there. Don't read the hype about these new companies that have formed. Everybody and their mothers in the window film business now. You want a good manufacturer like Lumar. They're owned by Eastman Chemical Company. They not only make Lumar and Formula One window film, they supply the raw materials to most of their competitors. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the internet. Look us up on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. Call us the old-fashioned way, 949-515-8468.